10,000 RPM is just above, which it starts to flicker that white light. That's what it tells you that keep below that RPM, because I'm still maintaining the braking period. As for the helmet, it's not feeling so bad. I mean, I got a size small. Maybe a medium would have been better fit, but I got a size small, and it's not so bad. It doesn't feel so bad today. Maybe because it's getting used to it, like it's conforming to the shape of my head. I mean, it's not bad to the point is, you know, like cutting off circulation. It's not that bad. Yeah, man. I got a few things I want to do. I want to get done, and yeah, let's see if I can find them. First of all, I got to get an Allen key for my my GoPro so it can stay steady, and second, I gotta get a mesh wire brush. I think midst of all the work, you kind of have to have fun, man, or else it gets kind of boring. And you know, that's one of the reasons why I am here, is to actually go and chill and have fun, you know, not just go and do work. I think you gotta find a healthy balance between all of that. And when you have fun, they're gonna want to come and chill. So I want to have fun, and that's why I'm here, partially just to have fun. You know, yes, work is important, but you gotta have a work-life play balance. I feel like the trip is gonna be pretty bomb, and hopefully like the recording comes out clear, because all the instructions I'll be getting is from my brother in terms of like which way to go, what to do. Not what to do, but the direction, because I don't have a GPS. Feeling actually pretty decent right now, even though it's very hot and humid. I don't feel fatigued. I don't feel like I'm overworked. I don't feel hot in this helmet. Like, obviously all the vent ports are open.
বুঝাই করে দেন কয় টাকা আছে
আমার মনে হয় 9 লিটার উঠবো নাকি। হ্যাঁ, হয়েছে শেষ। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। I'm broke, man. That's all I have.